Hello, I'm Barry Mendel with Mendel Money Management. And first and foremost, I want to wish everybody a happy and healthy 2025. I want to touch on 2024 and talk more about 2025 in terms of our outlook. 2024, as you know, was a very strong stock market performance. The S&P up over 20% for the second year in a row. And that's only the first time in 25 years we've had two consecutive years of 20% plus performance. Given that, it was still a very narrow market. It was mostly artificial intelligence related stocks that did well. Many stocks did not perform up to that 20% standard. Let's talk about 2025. There's a lot of uncertainty going into the year, mostly due to the election and the change of administrations. Uncertainty is due to the tariffs. We don't know what's going to happen with those. Immigration policy, tax cuts, and government budget cuts. So I expect more volatility this year, but I do expect a bias on the upside. The other issues are inflation has been very sticky at the 2.5% to 3% level. And mortgage rates are back up to around the 7% level. So that could cause a fairly slow economy and a Fed that's not as friendly as we thought it might be this year. At one point, we thought there'd be more interest rate cuts, maybe 3 or 4, but now the thought is there may only be 1 or 2. And that's going to cause some concerns as valuations are fairly rich in some parts of the market. Remember, though, it's a market of stocks and not just a stock market. There's still a lot of stocks out there that we think are very attractive. So our recommendation is to stay the course. And if you need anything or have any questions, feel free to call us. We'd love to hear from you.